live. Hindi ako manonood ng live mo. Manonood ako ng highlights mo. Ayan. Riders Bong Motovlog is live. Hindi ako manonood sa live mo. Pupunta ako sa videos mo. Last day as online delivery rider. Dito ako. Riders Motovlog. Nandiyan ka pa ba? Mo money Ranagor. Hello, my friend. Momani, what is your cooking today, my friend? Momani, what is your cooking today, my friend? Okay, tatlo lang pinanood ko sa'yo, Lolo Arnel. Yung highlights mo ng 3 minutes 46 seconds, yung 5 minutes mo, yung 4 minutes 21 seconds. Now, let me go to Momani. Momani. I have no money. No money. Let me see you, my dear friend. Let me come to you. Let me visit your house. No money. Okay, no money. Let me go to your video. What is new one? Okay. No money. That's yours. You have 6 minutes and 14 seconds. And you are having your ads right now. No money. Yeah, that's your ads. Migalaya, Shillong, traveling. Oh. Oh, wow. That's good. Travel safe. Momani, that's you. I'm watching. Tignan nyo, oh. Ilang minuto pa lang ako nanonood. Nabawasan ka agad ng 10 minutes. Yung aking minuto ng aking naka-reserve na cellphone para sa isang channel ko. Riders Motovlog, nanonood po ako sa iyo, ha. Hindi ko masyadong maitaas. Ayan, oh. Riders Motovlog, nandiyan ka pa ba? Riders Motovlog. Yahoo! Riders! Yahoo! Brother Benny, mamaya kita paharangan. Oh, salamat. Makadalawang oras ako. Hindi pa tapos sinulang manood. 20 minutes pa. Thank you, Lord. Nakaka 2 hours ako. Yeah. Brother Bong. Brother Bong Motovlog. Riders Bong Motovlog, nanonood po ako sa iyo, ha. Yun, oh. Pinapanood ko sa iyo yung last day as online delivery rider. Online delivery, you have 155 views. Wow, congrats. Momani is still at your I'm still in your Momani. Are you around? Momani, are you around or not? Si Momani, takbo ng takbo yun, eh. Takbo ng takbo si Momani. Pretty Chris, andyan po ako sa iyo, ha. Ayan, oh. Pretty Chris, nagtatago kayang ka, oh. Bakit ka nagtatago? Pretty Chris, bakit ka nagtatago? Thank you, kabayan Lolo Armel. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat po dyan. Maraming salamat. Si Lola,